Zumba. Let's unbox everything I got today from the Barber Salon outlet. First thing I'm gonna unbox is my new Nexen Color Airbrush system. Tenemos aquí. We're gonna open it up. What we got here? Y aquí tenemos. Look, check the color. The Nexen airbrush system. Come with the charger. Just look at it. They got in different colors, but I like red, like Iron Man. Dímelo, Cuyo. What's cooking here? You know, aquí abriendo los nuevos juguetitos. You know. Check it out. New toy. The Nexen airbrush system. Let's put it here. I'm gonna seguir. Let's see what else I got from the Barber Salon outlet today. Boom! Check this shit out. I got the new wireless Prodigy. And to charge, it's cordless too. It's just like the iPhone. Like you put it at the top of the pad and it charge out. Let's see. Turbocharge, hypo alert. The charger, look at this. Technology, wireless charging. That's why I got it. Let's open it up. Woo! Chucupla. Look at this. Woo! Same color of my airbrush machine. Mira. Rojo, mira. Man, look how beauty. You know where you can get this? Barber Salon outlet, Southern New Jersey. Tenemos la combi. I'm gonna check something. Let me see that charge cordless for real. Let me see. Let's see. Let's see. New machine. Let's see. There's proof. So this is my pad for the. How do you know it's charging, Naji? Give me a hand here, Naji. Oh. So you put it there.
I'm assuming the light turns on.
Which light?
On this side. Yeah.
Oh, look.
Hey.
Bang! Look at it. Boom, my iPhone charger to. Ooh! Listen, no more cables on my station. Aye! Check this shit out. The Prodigy wireless, cordless charger. Look at this. A wireless charger, cordless, or whatever you call this. Look at this. Listen. Let's see you charge, not use phone.
When you're using it,
all right.
You should be able to charge your phone too.
Let me see, right?
Yeah.
Ooh, charging the phone.
See?
It's charging the phone.
Charging.
And with this, you can charge the new machine. Look.
That's cool.
Man. Less cables on my station. Look at it. Just look at it. Okay, new toy. Let's put the new toy in the corner. No, let's put it to charge. Let me see what else I got. Oh. Check what I got. New Andy Master cordless. I like to change my machine every 6 months. So, let's unbox this one. That's the reason I was selling everything yesterday. Yiki. Let me see. Oh. Let me get a blade and open this. Whoop. Check it out. Let's unbox this one. Open. Open, man. Your puppy don't want to open, huh? Allí, I forgot one. Aquí tenemos. Don't worry, soon she's going to give up one. Okie dokie. Wee! New machine, new master cordless clipper. Woo-wee. Mira, mira esto, mire. Miren esa belleza, miren esa belleza. Let's see. Take this out. Woo! Need to charge. Let me put it to charge. Put it to charge right away. ¿Sabe, loco? New equipment. Todo está nuevo. See? It's charging already. Let's charge. Woo! Okay, Najee, let's open another one. Najee.
What we got? What else you got?
What do we got here? Okay.
Oh, look at this.
I got
look at the new combs.
No combs. Where I get this? Barber Salon Outlet, located in 280 in Saddlebrook, New Jersey. Got my new blade. What else I got? Oh, wait a minute.
Old school.
I forgot uno más.
Uno.
Más.
I want to see that one. Open that one up.
Okay, this is a single foil shaver made by Gamma Plus. And as you see here, USB rechargeable. This one is not charged like this one. You see, this one is charging. Look. Put it back there. It's charging, my friend. It's charging. Okay, let's open this. Open it up. Let's see here. Up. Okay. All right. Let me move everything a little to the side. Okay. So this is a single foil shaver. Let's see. Open it up. Damn! Look, check how small this one is.
Single foil?
Oh, now I understand why they call it El Uno. El Uno Gamma. Damn, guys, look at it. Woo! This is cool to do like shapers on the back and shit. You know, like people like allergic to razor. Yeah, behind the ear. Yeah. Super small. Look. Super small. Viene con la tapita. You can put the top. Thank you, Zumba. So excited with my new toys.
What's this?
Charge. Let me see. You can charge. What else you got here? What else? Let me see. Imagine we're gonna get there today now. Najee got.
You gonna show them the old school stuff?
Yeah, we found something on Barber Salon Outlet today. Pretty cool.
For you new barbers, you have no idea what the hell this is.
Okay. Let's see. Okay. Now we're gonna show you something, my friend. Look at this. Look what I just found today. Look at this. Man, y'all don't even know what this is. Made in Germany. How you pronounce that? Duvo. Soligen. Let's open it up. Boo! Look at this. Yo.
With guards. Oh.
With the guards and extra spring to make it tighter. And look at this. Ooh. This is classic. Look at it. Ooh.
That's an old school clipper.
And how many of you guys like to see me doing a haircut with this machine? Look at it. Damn. And I only found one. I found two. I got two, not one. Two. It's incredible. They're both in good condition. Thank you to the Barber Salon Outlet for the hookup here. So guys, I'm not retiring. Yesterday was a joke. I'm just selling everything to buy new equipment. I do that every year.
How much you gonna charge for a haircut with this clipper?
So I think it's gonna take me like maybe a couple of tendons and big muscles to do. Look at this. Look at this. If I do that every day, imagine cutting hair with it.
That's at least a $200 haircut right
Easy
there.
though. Easy. Let me see. How this work, Najee? Here? You put it here like that? Yo. Bro. Just look at this. I think I'm gonna make a video, post it on YouTube. A full haircut with this
old
machine.
school. Look at that. You didn't need 5 or 6 or 7 guards. Yeah, you didn't need 5 or 6 or 7 guards.
With
one
this?
guard. That's it. The rest was scissors, baby.
Yo, my dude. So, guys, that's it for today. That's my new toys. If you want to watch a full video, I'm gonna post it up on YouTube today. Thank you very much for watching, and guys, have a good week. Don't forget, stop by, book your appointment, get your haircut, get free. Can you do a fade with those? I can try. I can try. Anything is possible. So let me do a recap real quick. I got the new old school clippers. I got the cordless shaver, wireless charger by Gamma. I got the Uno S'more one foil. Look at this. I got my new Philharmonica blade. I got combs. I got airbrush for the beard. Make that beard sharp. The shape of sharp a little bit, you know. What else I have? I got the new Andy Master cordless. And for today, I think that's enough. Stay tuned, guys, for today's video. Zumba, 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 zumba.